Your morning decides the quality of your entire day. Science shows that the first hour after waking sets your energy focus and mood. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful wellness habits that can transform your health, happiness, and productivity starting tomorrow morning. The very first thing you should do after waking up is drink water. Overnight, your body becomes dehydrated. A glass of water reactivates your metabolism, flushes toxins, and wakes up your brain. For extra benefits, add a slice of lemon or chia seeds. They boost digestion and immunity. Next, move your body. Just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching, yoga, or a brisk walk can improve blood circulation, reduce stiffness, and release endorphins that lift your mood. You don't need a gym's simple moves like sun salutations or shoulder stretches are enough to energize your morning. Take a few minutes for mindful breathing. Try this simple technique. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. This calms your nervous system, reduces stress, and sharpens focus. Even 5 minutes of meditation can set a peaceful tone for the rest of your day. Fuel your body with a nutrient-rich breakfast. Skipping breakfast often leads to low energy and poor concentration. Choose simple options like oatmeal with fruit, a protein smoothie, or boiled eggs with vegetables. A balanced breakfast powers your brain and keeps you productive all morning. Finally, set your intentions for the day. Write down 2 or 3 goals or affirmations. For example, today I'll focus on gratitude and finish my project. This builds clarity, motivation, and a sense of purpose. A few minutes of planning can prevent distractions and keep you on track. These 5 habits may look simple, but together they can transform your mornings and your life. Start with just 1 tomorrow and notice the difference. Subscribe to Healthy Hub Global for more daily wellness tips. Your daily dose of health and happiness.